Tuesday, the 18th of November 2025. Comer, Georgia. Population as of 2020 was 1512. Estimated now to be 1626. It's about 702 feet, I think, above sea level. It was founded in 1893. Is on Georgia Highway 92 in Madison County. On the way to Elberton. We're going to just cruise through the city, and then we're on our way to Watson Mill State Park. Our plan is to walk to the powerhouse down the creek, or down the South Fork of the Broad River, I mean. Elberton is to our right, Commerce is to the left on Georgia. This is business 72, Georgia 22 as well, coming out of Lexington, I guess, down there off of 78. Low 60s going to about 70, 68, 70 today. Let y'all see this church. Why are we not able to zoom out? Let's stop it and restart it. There. Sometimes this camera aggravates me. This is the Samsung S22 Ultra. It's a good camera, but it is, like a lot of things, aggravating at times. It's a little bit windy today. Maybe we'll get a raining of leaves. It is 11:05. To watch the news, they tell you all these little Georgia towns are drying up and blowing away. From our experience, nothing could be further from the truth. I'm sure there are a couple of them, but the news media has got to find something negative, something sensational to report on, or they're not going to report it. It's pretty pitiful. News media has lost all credibility. Watson Mill Bridge State Park, 6 miles to the left. We'll go 22, or we'll go 72. Business 72. We want to swing through the little town. We'll probably get a little bit of Watson Mill State Park, or a little bit of Colbert. I guess we'll end up in Colbert. We'll get a little bit of Colbert on the way to Watson Mill State Park, and then that'll be a separate one. And then Watson Mill State Park should be separate as well. Off to Athens to the right, Elberton to the left. I would love to have one of these little buildings. I said built when they were. These may be 3 brick wide walls without wood framing. The bank established 1900. We could go to Watson Mill State Park that way too, go down 22 to the right. But we'll go to Colbert. and then get this video up to about 10 or 12 minutes. We've been getting some 25, 30-minute videos. I think we'll keep this one a little bit shorter. We also want to get some more shorts today. We had 2 shorts that have done well from last night. Some nice color. Maybe we'll get some color over here at Watson Mill. Maybe there'll be some color in the background of the bridge. We're turning right on Business or Old Georgia 72. We're headed north and northeast. We didn't bring the compass with us. We're in the 2019 Express van. There's a little burger place down here. I've never tried it. It's usually busy though. It's busy now. Chief Burger, Hickory Smoked Barbecue. New construction or remodeled construction. There was a new house where we just turned off of a while ago. You know, the news media, they are absolutely pitiful. If they can't sensationalize some kind of negative or some more remodel or updating, we want to step our magnification up to 1 now at least. Let's see if we can do that. We had to completely stop it and restart it. I don't know what's going on with this phone camera, but it's not making me very happy right now. But anyway, it'd be nice if we got a train. We're not going to have a good enough connection to upload this probably until we leave from Watson Mill State Park. Well, actually, we'll have to be gone from there for a little ways to get a decent connection. We'll try to put it together and have it ready though. Video Watson Mill State Park if we walk down to the powerhouse with the Osmo Action 5 on our head, which will require us to download, edit, process, and then upload from the computer with a very slow connection. Let's turn this off until we get to Colbert. We'll turn it back on and finish this up. We could go to the Broad River canoe launch, but we've been there. We have drone video of it. We have other video of it, so we won't go there today. Hopefully we'll get some color at Watson Mill State Park. the turn for Watson Mill State Park was back here on the right. We'll go up here and go through Colbert, and then we'll go back down through there. We'll probably cross over the tracks and drive down that road over there. I guess we should have left this running nice, scenic Georgia back road, especially now that they've done the bypass and this is the old business. Got another very good biscuit at Angie's this morning, Angie's Biscuits in Hull, Georgia. There's an interesting antique place up here. They got all kind of stuff out here. This is Carlton. I'm sorry, this isn't Colbert. This is Carlton. They got all kind of stuff. I wonder if they got a trim ring for my van. Hey, we're going to go up here and cross over the railroad tracks and go back down by that road there. Or go down that road over there. Look, there's a Corvette. Looks like it's been sitting there for a while. It may sit there for a while longer, looks like. There was a piece of property down that little side trail right there for sale a while back. Interesting little piece of property, but we didn't check it out that closely. May ought to have. Old house though, I think was built in 1900, was probably going to have to be pushed down. I don't know that it could have been salvaged. We do not have our hang tag for the park. We may have to park up at the visitor center so they won't give us a ticket. We've got our hang tag. When you're trying to do stuff out of a couple of different vehicles, now that body style van is a good style van. It's a 20. It's not for sale though. Picture looking down the railroad track. No train horn here, folks. I do have the guard arms, but no horn, it says. It says no horn. Yeah, those those walls are about 3 brick thick. They're cross-tied together. Man, we should have gone down by Carlton Baptist Church. That was an old Baptist church. Looked very interesting. You know, this state park has equestrian trails, and I'm pretty sure it's got camping. Yeah, they had to put these speed bumps down through here. I guess people come flying down through here. This long straightaway. Traffic from the right does not stop here. There's an old house for sale. Okay, Watson Mill Bridge State Park. Go ahead and turn it off. We'll start another one.